I'm responsible for technology projects at Fira Barcelona. At a trade show like ISC, our biggest challenge is to make visitors' entry process as fast as possible. Our dream was to have the entry of participants be as continuous without any stops. They would enter and we would scan their identification, then print their badge right there and keep the line moving, without any stops or interruptions. We chose Epson ColorWorks printer for 3 main reasons. First reason was the wide color gamut available and the outstanding color print quality. Second was the fast print speed of ColorWorks because fast print speeds were required. While entering the show, every second or millisecond counts. And third, we needed reliability. We are printing thousands of badges daily and required a system that wouldn't fail.
With the Epson ColorWorks C4000 label printer, we delivered a solution for Fira Barcelona that included several important benefits, like printing speed, content flexibility, quality, and the use of color. Having different color-driven badges allows for easy identification for all trade show participants. Plus, it creates better opportunities between visitors and exhibitors.
We believe that in the future, badges can become a fun item that bring out entities' own styles. Full badge customization with logos and more. It fully showcases who people and companies are. Epson ColorWorks gave us the on-demand color printing solution to meet our needs.